Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. Today I have an unboxing for you from Scrapbooking store. This is their September 2025 subscription. I have already unpackaged for you, so there is some minimal crinkling, hopefully. There may be some later in this video. But the first thing we have, the main collection, is this at-home Carta paper collection. It's going to have 12 by 12 double-sided papers. And then you're also getting a sticker ephemera sheet with this. So I will show you this in a second. But to go along with this, you can choose for $7 to add these to your subscription, and you're going to get at-home frames and tags by Carta as well, so they match perfectly. Then we also have this fanciful gemstones by Rosie Studio. I mean, look, they are definitely fanciful. And then my personal favorite is the Simple Stories foam alphas in vintage cream, and they have like a typewriter font in them as well. So super nice. Love these. I will show these frames and tags after I go through this paper pack. So bear with me for that. I've already unpackaged this as well, but this is just beautiful. Look at this. And I know you can't feel, but this is almost like a watercolor paper. It is super thick paper and has this nice texture to it. It literally looks like watercolor paper to me. So anyways, you have this flower print on one side, and then this is like a deep navy, almost flowers but diamond shape. I don't know. It's called Wonderfully Beautiful is the paper, if you want to know, but it is beautiful. Then we have our 3x4 cards. So we have some really nice ones like Come As You Are, definitely could be a Bible journaling page, but then I love this one as well. Definitely some great scrapbooking cards. Home Sweet Home, Enjoy the Simple Things. I just love it. And same thing, super nice paper. And then you have a nice wood grain on the back side. For this, you have these little frames that you could either use as a paper, or you could cut them out and use them as a layering piece. The back side is this nice little scallop in this pink. Look at this. I love these moths. So this has a beautiful array of different moths and different colors. And then you have this almost burgundy maroon color on the back side. This one is called Good Morning Moths. And then you have these cards. So you have some nice bigger ones. Come in and stay a while. Every day is a good day with you. Welcome home, home sweet home. I love that. And then you have these kind of doodles on the back side. These are cute little, almost like leather ottomans on one side in different colors. And then you have this mustard kind of squiggle line on this side. Another floral arrangement in this paper. And then this teal aqua, it's called Beautiful Chaos Flowers. I wonder if that's the same pattern as this blue. The blue, the first one I showed you, is definitely smaller. Yeah, it looks like the same. So same pattern, but this one's much darker, so harder to see. Next up, we have some squares. Enjoy every moment. This is everything I've ever wanted. I love this one. You could even fussy cut this out and do something else, but be happy for this moment. This moment is your life. Backside is just some cute pink florals. Then we have almost, what kind of weave is this? What is it called? My grandpa has chairs with this kind of weave on it. But anyways, it's like a chair weave. I don't know. And then on the back side, it says wicker basket. That could be helpful. My grandpa has a chair with the same kind of weave in it, just to let you know, so it doesn't have to be a basket. But this one is a nice green kind of dot / arrows. And then we have some macrame kind of hangings. Ooh, this is fun. Navy little flowers. And then we have a collection of different little cards that we could use. Home is not a place, it's a feeling. Like family rules kind of within these walls thing. And then you have a couple of different little frames as well. Oh my goodness, there's a C.S. Lewis quote. I'm so sorry. I'm like, so I'm going to read it. I'm going to have to bring it up close to me. Now at last they were beginning chapter 1 of the great story no one else on earth has ever read, which goes on forever, in which every chapter is better than the one before. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with this all of a sudden. Like, I mean, I was in love with it before, but like this just sold it for me. I'm so excited. I know exactly where that's from in the last book of the Chronicles of Narnia. So anyways, that's really cool. Anyways, and then you have on the back side some different, I don't know. These look like hot pads, like the woven kind of hot pads to me. Then you have some Starburst. And last one is some orange X's. And then this is your little ephemera sticker sheet. You have your scallop on the bottom, which is really sweet. And then you have some bunting and sayings and all this goodness. I am so excited. I love these flowers too. So, and this one, you could definitely do something fun with that as a layering piece. So that is your at-home collection from Carta. I will show you the little ephemera pack as well. So this has, let's see, does it say 34 die cut pieces. So let's see what's in here. Wouldn't that be so cool if they had that C.S. Lewis frame in here too? Kind of doubtful, but okay. So you have some little circle flowers. Home is the nicest word there is. Welcome. Hello. We are family. Family. Home. Best part of my day. So these are going to be great for scrapbooking. This would be, oh, it's a little tag. You can punch this out. You have a couple tags. This house is built on chaos and love. Gather. Home sweet home. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Come in and stay a while. Our happy place. Home sweet home. Some woven macrame rainbows. Good vibes only. Family, where life begins and love never ends. Cute. The little family oval as well. Happiness is homemade. This is a tag. You could also put this on some like food you prepared for someone, like cookies or something. That'd be fun. Welcome to our beautiful chaos. Welcome home. Gather at home. Grateful for the big things, little things, and everything in between. And this is a frame as well, so you can punch that out. Oh, I love this one. Be happy for this moment. This moment is your life. Home is not a place, it's a feeling. This is everything, also a frame. And last one that is also a frame is in this house, your best will always be good enough. So that is everything for the September 2025 subscription kit. You can still grab it from Scrapbooking Store. I will leave my link down below. Thank you so much for using that. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what your favorite piece of this was and if you enjoyed that C.S. Lewis quote as well. So I hope you enjoy this. Have a great rest of your week. We'll talk to you later. Bye.